Hi, today video we can talk about certificate signing request. It is one of the security mechanism. You can use this to request a certificate from the certificate authority, and mostly these situations will used in where you can give secure communication between the components that run in the Kubernetes cluster. At that time, we can use the certificate sign-in request. If example, if one users want to access the Kubernetes uh, cluster, that user will send the request like certificate signing request, and the admin will approve or deny, and then if you approve, that user will access the component that are running in the Kubernetes cluster. Let's see how to create the certificate signing request, how to approve, then how to add the user in the cluster. First, here this is the Kubernetes official documentation. So this is the certificate sign-in request page. Here scroll down, and this is the role cluster roles. Here we don't need this. We need to create the certificate. So this is, you can see how to issue a certificate for user. So we can start from this, and these are the commands helps to create a key. And this command helps to create the CSR file. Let's see how to create. I open my AWS management console. Here I already have the three node all are running state. I already connected to my master node here. So here I move to my Kubernetes official documentation. First I will check what are the users currently in our cluster. kubectl config and get context. So here we can see we have only one user, that is Kubernetes admin Kubernetes. So here we can see how to add user here. First we can create a one key file. I copy this command, open SSL, and I paste here. This command help to create a private key, and I edit this name. Here I will use the name admin and enter. Now here you can see one key file created. The name is admin.key. Next move to the documentation, and you copy this command. This command helps to create the CSR file. I copy this and again paste here, and I change the name. Here I change the name admin, and here also I change to admin. Now if in one production company in Kubernetes, but here we can use only demo, so I don't need to give any value here, or otherwise if, in company they will give the value here. Country name we need to specify, and state, locality name, organizations. For here we do demo, so I don't give any name here, just enter. Then type ls. Here you can see we have the admin CSR file and admin.key file. Let's move to the documentation. Here scroll down. Here first we can create this is the configuration to create the certificate sign-in request. I copy this, and here I type this, open the text editor vi and create one file here. I will give the name admin CSR. Here I will denote the CSR means certificate sign-in request dot YAML. Then enter. Here I paste this configuration, and let's edit. I change this request and edit the name also. Let's move above and erase these lines. So here I erase this request and change the name. Change the name to admin, and here we can add the another key. Let's say close this. Move to documentation. Here scroll down, and here I copy this command. This command will show the files inside the CSR file. Copy this and paste here. And change to admin. And here I copy this and paste on that CSR file. So let's open this file and paste here. Here I paste this and then save this file. Now we can use this command kubectl apply -f and then enter that file name. This command helps to create the CSR file, CSR resource .yaml, and we got the response created. Here we can check, type this command kubectl get CSR. Here you can see we have the admin created 11 seconds ago. So this is now created. Now you can see this is bending state. Now here we need to approve this. We can see how to approve this admin CSR request. Move to documentation. So you can see approve the certificate signing request. Here you can see use this command to approve that request. I will paste here and I change the name to admin. So here you can see the request is admin, so I also change here and then select. You got the response, that's approved. Then again type this command You can see you got the response approved and issued. So now that request will be approved. Then move to the documentation. Here scroll down. This command will show the our CSR file in the YAML format. Paste here and I change the name to admin. And let's move to the documentation. Here you can see this command helps to export the certificate from the sign-in request. So here we have only the, you can see here we have only CSR file and key file. We need the certificate also. So here we can retrieve certificate from the self signed request. So let's move here and copy this. Copy this and paste here and edit. I will give the name admin.certificate and here we can give the CSR name. The CSR name is also admin and enter. Let's check. Here you can see we have three files. One is the CRT, the certificate, and the CSR and key. This is CRT file is now created file. Let's move to documentation and now we create the role and role binding. Just copy this and paste here. Here you can see they will mention the role name developer and here the verb what action we need to permission give. They give create, get, list, update and delete and pods. The resource name is pods. So I don't need to edit in this because videos don't demo only. So I just leave this. The role name is developer and this is pods. Okay, then enter. Now you got the one response. The role is created. Now move to documentation and you can create a user and bind that user to that role. Here you can use role binding. The role binding name is developer binding my user and the name is user is my user. Here I change the user is admin and I change this name also to admin and enter. Yeah, now you can see the roles also created and binding also created. Let's move the documentation. Now finally we can add this to kubeconfig. Let's see how to add. Here I copy this command. I copy this and paste here. Here you can see we can change the name based on our requirement. Here you can give the name admin and here also change the name, key name admin. Okay, and change this name also admin and enter. Again check and enter. Now it will show the error permission denied. So let's check the documentation. I will check down another command kubectl config get contexts. Move to documentation, and here I again copy this and here we got some error here. Open Ubuntu lock permission denied. So here I type sudo -i, enter, and I paste this command and change the name now, admin, and here also change the key name, admin, and here I changed admin, then enter. Okay, here we can enter the path. Here we can enter the path. Root, and here also enter the path. Yeah, now enter. Move to documentation. I copy this and paste here. Username admin, and I'll change the name here admin. Now you can see you got one response, context admin created. Let's move here and type this command. Change to admin. Let's again type, and now we can type this command to check the user. kubectl config get contexts, enter. Now you can see the one user here added, the name is admin, that's the cluster Kubernetes, that's admin. So here this is the way to add the user, and this is the way to approve the certificate, and this is the way to create the CSR request. Thank you.